these two functions together, yes or no?
Yes.
What are you doing when you add functions together?
Combining like terms.
CLT. Anybody dyslexic and reading this as TLC? Don't go chasing waterfalls. We're not talking about the network. We're talking about the group. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're going to have it
Your way.
or nothing at all. But you know what, AMAC? I think you're moving too fast.
Wait, what?
It's a song. Oh, listen to everybody starts. So, basically, all you're doing is CLTing. Is there anything to add with this?
No.
No. Is there anything to add with this? Yes. And all you're doing is adding or subtracting the coefficients. 3 plus negative 1. How about negative 2x squared plus 4? 2x squared. I don't have anything here, so minus x, 0, plus negative x, and then 4 and 3 together is 7. I've just added those two together. Oh, I was showing Emma Steer that was x to the 0 power. Okay?
So 3 would also be x to the 0 power.
It's anything to the 0 power. Okay? Any questions about adding them? Let's erase some down parts. What if I said subtract them? What would you do?
Same thing.
Same thing except you'd subtract, right? What's another way? Subtracting is the same as. Are you kidding me? That doesn't even flow. Subtracting is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. No! Subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. That does. Hey, Mac, you can get a little rhythm going with it, see? It's dividing. Dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. See, I taught 8th grade math for a long time. Oh, baby. All right, so if we subtract, you can change this to what?
Positive.
You can change this to an addition and make each of these the opposite. And then my good friend, Adam. I don't care if you do it that way. Here's why I encourage you to do it. When you get to this one right here, we don't have anything here, do we? So what this would be is 0 minus negative 1x. And if you don't really think through it, it's a little difficult. If I look at it as 0 plus x, it's real easy to see. My opinion. So, do it how you want. How do you want to do it? Change it?
I want to leave it.
Then you leave it! It's your thing. Come on, participate. You're not going to get your participatory points today. Any questions on adding or subtracting polynomials? How about multiplying? Can you multiply that? What's the shortcut? Boy, girl, almost twins. Multiply the first two, 1 smile. Multiply the last two, 2 smiles. What is it?
9.
Minus 9. That's the shortcut. If you can't remember, FOIL it. If you can't remember, FOIL it. Middle terms, delete. How do you do this one real fast? Anybody know? A lot of people just put x squared plus 25. If you think that that's correct, punch yourself in the earlobe 827 times. Don't do it. Write it out. FOIL. Anybody want to know the shortcut real fast? If you have something squared, that's a minus, by the way. And so is this. Yeah, save it. Perfection is not, it's just an idea anyway. None of us can achieve it. Okay, so if if I have x minus 5 quantity squared, you can take the first term, square it. Take the last term, square it. Double that. Put it in the middle. That's the shortcut. If you can't remember that, FOIL it. Oh my gosh. How in the heck do we do this?
Flows better.
How in the heck? I don't think that really flows with me. Shay, you know how to do this?
No.
Dang it! How about you could foil? You can take this. 1, 2, 3. You can do this. 1, 2, 3. You can do this. 1, 2, 3. That's one way of doing it. I don't like it because it spreads it out. It's got this big long thing and then you got a CLT. I'm a boxer. Some people are briefs. That's a joke. I was just kidding. No one got that real quick. They're like, I can't believe he's talking about his underwear. I'm not. If I turn bright red right now, it's her fault.
I wouldn't know. I just hear that.
Hear it? Who talks like that?
You're white. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh. Clearly, I'm joking.
All right, foil that. Go. Do it how you want. I'll give you 45 seconds.